going to get right into it. We just bought this unit for $1,010, and it's a real specific reason why I bought it. The Legos in the corner. Is it all Legos? I don't know, but we are going to go through it. I'm going to load a lot of this stuff up and take it back to the warehouse because I got work to do. Right off we broke stuff already. I see some nice Christmas stuff right here. I like Christmas stuff, and we're getting, you know, Christmas is coming, so that'll be cool for the holidays. And these nice purple grapes here. I like purple grapes. We just spilled this. It looks like they were doing some type of planning stuff or party stuff, because look, when you see those little pink bottles like that and they're wrapped up, it looks like a decoration of some form. We got a lot of clothes. Not my favorite thing to find, so we'll just take this back to the warehouse as well for now. Let's get a little peek of what we got here. It's looking like kids' clothes. It's looking kid clothes-ish. Oh yeah. A lot of kids' clothes. A lot of kids' clothes. Okay, I'm seeing Legos. I'm seeing Legos. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. What's in here? Okay, what do we got? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's money right there. That's money. And this is, oh yes. Oh yes, I'm digging that. That's tight. And that one is tight right there. That's some money right off the bat. Okay. Got the camera box. Cameras are hot. Got a laptop. Alright. Now what's in here? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That sucks. These are all boxes. Are you kidding me? Oh. That's the only thing in there. That just ruined it. That just ruined it. Do I even want to touch this box? No. No. Okay, we got a couple there. Nope. Damn. That is so disappointing. That is so disappointing right there. We have four. We have four Legos in the box. Ornaments. What is in this box? That sucks. That sucks. We got a lot of clothes. A lot of toys. Alright, it's a third one of these, and it looks like they're all basic ornament style. Just round balls and stuff. They got 3 of those. We were hoping maybe Disney, things of that nature, stuff we use at the house. That's what we keep in there. A lot of Christmas. And it's not looking like the good Christmas either. It's not looking like the good Christmas. What do we got here? Oh, Christmas. This looks like paperwork. And the box is falling apart. Joy. Looks like it's going to be one of those unit days, guys. We got some more of these, which are kind of goofy. Yep, stuffed animals. That's a good $7 right there. Oh, wow. Alright, looks like we got some Lego sets type things in here. Oh yeah, looks like they took them apart and they put them in these boxes here. We'll go through that later back at the lab. I'm gonna keep all Lego stuff to the back. I don't even want to waste time with kids. Looks like a bunch of nonsense. This might be another L for us. This might be another L. We're not like completely in the L, but this is like gone through. A lot of it looks really trashy and just, I don't know. We're too cocky to even play with. It looks trashy, abused, gone through, left behind. The Sony camera might be like 50, 60 bucks, believe it or not. And it is in there. Let me see. Let me show you a little more. Not much to see in this one, but I could tell it's in there. Yeah, that's definitely eBay. I'm going to start putting all my cameras on eBay and stop selling them and not getting the money because I'm losing. I got to maximize profits right now. Anovia. Probably got a really old Apple. Ooh, oops. That's what's up. That's nice. I'll take the, that helps out. That's $100 right there towards my losses. We're working our way up to a possible W. And we got, I think was an older. Yeah, that's definitely older. It's literally just a bunch of trash. I mean, we got a few Legos and a but I think it's just another wash. Which is all fine, guys. Which is all fine by me. Literal paperwork. Bummer. This could have been good. This could have been good. It looks Minecrafty. Yeah. How we do it, guys. 2 carts, 2 hands, 1 person. All right, guys, we are finally going to go through this stuff. We got to move some of this stuff to sitting here because it doesn't actually go to there. But ooh, wow, that's what a mess this just turned into. Everything was all good. Just dropped the kids' clubs. Trying to get the family into golfing, so I'm collecting all these clubs. They think I'm a golf club collector. I'm like, no, I want to go play. So what really happened with this unit is mid-filming, I really just I lost all interest in it. Like, you know what I mean? You start touching these boxes. Look, this is pretty much all empty Lego boxes. The reality is I can probably list these to Facebook Marketplace, and I don't know, can I get 100? Highly doubt it. Let's see, is this new? This might be some money right here, actually. We'll have to look this up. This could be something. This could be some. We're 800 into this, I think, or whatever. But like I said, what we'll do is we will probably put these on Facebook Marketplace. Ooh, this one might actually. No. Ooh, wait a minute. This one has some Legos in there. Well, it's got the instructions in the booklets and stuff, so we'll just have to run with that. We'll just have to run with that. We'll call that good, I guess. Ooh, this would have been a good one right here. This would have been a real good one. No manual. So manuals you can literally list right to eBay themselves, you know. Looks like that was it. So, wait a minute. Ooh. No, we're not. I'm not gonna mess with those. We're gonna call those a Facebook Marketplace lot right there, with every one of those, and we're gonna see what else we have. And the reality is, we might actually have these, but I'm not gonna spend too much time piecing them together. We do have these cool ones here. I think these ones are about $150 each right here. I'm gonna look them all up. Probably slap them on eBay. This is pretty fire right here. I like that. in great shape at least. That's one thing that these got going for them. But this is like my money right here. This is my money, so whatever I can get out of this is at least going to help me retain my $800 I purchased this for. This looks sealed. There's some cool things here. I'm thinking that this stuff will just all end up on Whatnot. I don't think the girls need anything like that. They have plenty of drawing stuff. Ooh, that could be good though too. I'm gonna take a look. These things could end up with the kids. Discovery Mind Blown and IKEA Lego. Ooh, that one's actually sealed, so that could be something. It could be something right there. We'll take a look at these and decide what to do with them. There was something in here that I thought, oh yeah, it was this electronic slot, I guess. Oh, missing the battery. Oh yeah, I got a psp. That's right. We got the psp with a couple games here, so maybe that will make us something. Palm Pilot. This camera could be money. I forgot to look this up. Let's see if it's in here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. And we got some more cameras. Those are kind of wild. I'll set those aside because those are definitely money. We got a Sony charger. We got that right there. Is there Bitcoin on one of these? Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice if we... Okay. Up in here is more things. I'm thinking electronic slot. I don't even know what this is. Better look at it. I thought that was a ring. No. This looks like it goes to the SPS. That's what that looks like. And the JBL on tour. Michael, is this the charger for the PSP?
Yeah.
It is? Awesome. Alright, so the camera didn't charge. I'm going to run everything else here in one electronic slot on Whatnot, minus the medication here. You know, everything else, one electronic slot. That will help us net back. I mean, we might get close to 100 on this lot. We might get 50, but we're working our way back to our 900 and then potentially into the profit. So I think this box here maybe has some. Let's see. I think this is trash, sadly. No. Oh, these were empty too. Gotta double check. And like I said, this is just gonna be... Wait a minute. This one is. That's cool. That one is. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got this one. That's another one. A little damage there, but I like that. Marvel Superheroes. Sealed. Little scuffing across the top there. Come on, make it another one. Oh, no. This one's empty. This one's empty. Wait a minute. This one's got something in it. Parts. All right. And then, yes! Yes, we got another one. Whatever that is. Empty. 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 Another one, yes. Yes, this is cool. That's helping a little bit. I'm getting a little bit happier about this. So, I mean, we're getting our money back. So I listed 200, 170, and 150. That is 370, 470, 530. We got a couple of these toys. We'll call that 6. We got another, I would say 150 right here. We'll call that 750. We're almost in the green. Let's see. Not bad. This one actually gets up in the 200s, so this would put us at 900, and we're pretty much in the even now. This one's looking like 60. I'm gonna guess the same on that, and probably like 40 on that one. And this would have probably been cool, but it's open. So now this is where it gets interesting, because we have lots of these. That doesn't have a book, so I don't really know what box it can go to. And then you have that. I'm thinking flat rate full of Legos, right? Like, that's what I'm gonna do. That's a flat rate, that's a flat rate. Just because we gotta push this product. Like, that's probably multiple sets in here. It sucks because I think I have the boxes. I was hoping, I was crossing my fingers that that would become a way to fill these boxes up, but it is what it is. What is this? I think we'll definitely turn a profit. We've seen profit. I think we've reached over 1,000 without loose stuff. We'll just put that right there. Looks like it's the last box, and it's gonna be, ooh, okay, ooh, okay. We're getting some more Legos. It's adding up. I'll probably make ads for these because I'm trying to use these for cross promotion, but probably another 25 and another 35. I don't even know. That's like a box. That's so weird. We just got a bunch of straight Legos. That's the best I could do is flat rate it up. Flat rate pretty. Which one becomes box? Look at that. Wow. That's a little dusty looking. Little animals. Bags, figure. Last. Ooh, wait a minute. That's kind of tight. Look at that. Nutcracker Lego. I think after everything's said and done, by the time I auction off these little lots here, I've already preloaded those. We got 120 on the empty boxes and a slew of more Legos. I think we can pull off at least a minimum of $500 profit. That's not quite a double, but it's not a loss. I'll call that a win. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and say something pretty.